Love Infinity Tarot. This is Rajshri. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are back with another tarot reading. Today we are going to check what is this Lionsgate portal energy bringing in your life. What you can expect with this Lionsgate portal energies in your life. So we are going to tap into the energy of this portal and get the details for you. Now, what is Lionsgate portal? Okay, this is the most important and this portal has a very long term and major impact on humans' life, or in fact everyone's life. So Lionsgate portal is this 8-8 portal. The date is 8. It's falling on 8th August, the coming 8th August, and number 8 is the energy of movement. Number 8 is the energy of abundance, karma, karmic cycles. It's like the energy of Saturn. So we just had a Mercury retrograde, and then this Lionsgate portal is happening. So we are going to tap into the details. What is this Lionsgate portal bringing for us, for the collectives? Okay, let's start your reading. Try to connect with me. Keep in mind these are general collective messages. They may and may not resonate with everyone. So take the messages that resonates with you and leave the rest. Let's start your reading. Try to connect with me. Connect me to the collectives, dear spirit. Please connect me to the collectives. Give me the messages for the collectives. Okay, we already got the first card. Wow. Please connect me to the collectives and give me the messages for my collectives, dear spirit. Give me the messages for my collectives. What is this Lionsgate portal bringing for my collectives? Okay, I'll take this. So all of a sudden, I'm just feeling so thirsty. I just had water, but still I'm feeling thirsty. It's like I need water. I'll just get back and get my water. So as I got thirsty the moment I started the reading, definitely it feels like you are tired from something. Whatever I'm receiving is that you have, okay, as usual, it's very complicated. I feel I'm getting the energy as if I have ran a lot. I've been running for quite a while, and I'm short of breath, and I'm feeling thirsty, and as if I need to rest and relax. This is the exact energy that I am receiving, and it's resonating very much with your first card, which is this 8 of Swords. It feels like you are trapped into something. Whether right now, currently you're going through this, or you have been in this energy for quite a while now, where you feel trapped. You feel you're not able to move. You feel you're not able to do something, as if you're stuck, trapped, powerless. You don't know where, how, what. You just feel like very helpless. That has been your energy. This is the first card, and first card is very important. Is the most important card when we start a reading. First card talks about your recent past or your current energy. Right after this 8 of Swords, we have Hangman, Death, 2 of Swords, and the Magician. Okay, so it's like as I was saying, you feel trapped, you feel powerless, you feel as if you're not able to move. You can't do anything with the situation that you are surrounded with. It's like no matter what you do, you're not getting any result. There's no end, there's no beginning or end to the situation that you are in. It's like the picture, if you see itself, see this card. It's like what is this? Is this a moth or what? and it's been tied to this sword, and it's like it can't even move. It can't even move. So that is your exact energy. Like you don't know, and no matter what you try to, even if you try to maneuver around the situation, it feels like you are being stung by many. I don't know why I'm getting this. Very many, poisonous snakes. I'm getting this very strong energy of like being stung by something. So that has been your energy, and with this hangman over here, I feel that you had to sacrifice something in order to move forward in your life. It could be you have to. Okay, this is one example that I'm getting. It may and may not resonate with everyone. It's a confirmation. The example that I'm getting is that you had to sacrifice your love life for your career, or vice versa. Like you had to sacrifice your career for your love life. Either way, you felt things are coming to an end with this death card. We literally have this death card. Like you have been through a lot. You have been through a lot, and it's an ongoing energy. You're still going through these things, and you don't to find a way out of these situations. And there's this energy of uh, there's this stagnant energy around you, as if like, how do I explain this? That stagnancy, like there is no fresh air, there's nothing new happening. It's the old same drama. You're revolving around that same cycle constantly, and it has been. It's like your life is revolving around that same cycle constantly over the past over the past few years, or it feels like forever. It's like it's a never ending cycle that is not going to ever end, that is not going to come to a conclusion. And it's like it's breaking your heart so much. You're becoming like very hopeless. You don't find a way out of the situation. All these three cards in the beginning, they're like draining you out, heavily draining you out. And with this death card, definitely like you have faced, or you are facing ending of something. I don't know, I'm getting the energy of a relationship very strongly over here. Maybe a relationship ended, and with all the situations that you have gone through, it was a very toxic cycle for you, and it drained you completely, and you felt you felt hopeless, you felt powerless, as if you can't do anything, you can't move, you can't get out of this situation, you can't resolve this situation, you can't live with this situation. So it's a lot of chaos going on in your life. It is a lot of chaos going on in your life, and all these things that are happening, it's further blocking your visions. It's not allowing you to see clearly as to how to move forward, like how to get out of the situation, or what to do in order to maybe start something, maybe do something to get out of this situation. But now we have this magician card over here. So with this magician card, I see this okay, my neighbor just opened their door, and I was just about to say, with this Lions Gate portal, we have this magician card over here. With this Lions Gate portal, new doors are opening for you, where you will be able to get out of the situation, whatever you were going through. See, exactly. For mostly it is a love reading. It is related to your love life, and I see new doors are opening for you in your love. a new love offer is coming to you, a new person is coming in your life that is going to fill your cup. This Lions Gate portal is opening new doors, new ways for you to get out of the situation, like a very fresh, as I said, your energy, your situations, your life had gone very like stagnant. There was a lot of stagnancy around you in your situation, and it was very dull energy, like you were bored of your life, nothing exciting was happening, nothing new was happening, nothing was happening as such to keep you going. Like sometimes what happens, we get so tired, it happens, right? You don't feel like doing anything, you don't want to live, like you don't find a purpose to live. It's same mundane thing happening in your life. So this Lions Gate portal is bringing a new fresh air of love in your life. And for a very few of you, in terms of your career, there's a new opportunity coming towards you that you're really going to love, that is going to fill your heart with love. You know, sometimes it's not love in romantic sense, but for example, you get a new project, an opportunity from somewhere, and you realize when you work on it, like you are falling in love with life all over again. It's that kind of energy, a very new, a very fresh energy. And this opportunity, whatever opportunity that you're going to get in this Lions Gate portal, with this Lions Gate portal, it is going to fill your heart with so much of love, with fulfillment, contentment. Like you will be very satisfied, very pleased in your life. And okay, we have this Father of Cups card over here. In case of your romantic life, I see whatever new love offer that you're getting, whoever this new person that is coming in your life, this is very stable, very open-minded, very loving, caring, very loyal. I'm getting very mature energy, like this is the energy of cups. It's equivalent to a King of Cups card, where you are getting a very I don't know why I'm getting this word doesn't resonate with this card, but a very wealthy and a very stable person in your life is coming, who is very emotionally mature, emotionally balanced, and who is going to pour all this healthy, abundant, positive emotions of love, affection, care in your life. So this Lions Gate portal is bringing you a new love offer, a new love relationship in your life for most of you. With this death card, whatever miseries you were going through, it's all coming to an end. Whatever you were going through, it's all coming to an end. This Lions Gate portal is bringing a closure of that stagnant cycle that you are going through. You are getting a closer to that old cycle that was draining you, that was taking away your power, stability and balance from your life. So that situation is coming to an end. You are getting a closure to that situation, thus starting a new chapter in your life, a new cycle in your life, which is a very refreshing, very I'm not sensing this strong powerful energy. No, it's a very soft, it's very we have the father of the, can you see this one, how composed, relaxed, and it's like very stable energy is coming in your life. And whatever this new opportunity is coming, it is going to bring balance in your life. It is going to bring a lot of balance and stability in your life that you were lacking before. Such a positive energy. What else? Please give me some more messages for my collectives. It is mostly regarding your love life. It could be a new friendship or a new love relation is coming to you with this Lions Gate portal. See, and we have this justice card over here. Justice is happening to your situation. Justice is happening to your situation. Whatever you have been through, this Lions Gate portal is, that's a confirmation. Whatever you have gone through, this Lions Gate portal is rewarding you with this new opportunity, new love offer that you're going to receive. Bottom of the deck, we have this Star card. So whatever you have lost, with the Star card I'm getting, whatever you have lost, it's coming back to you, but with 10 times better opportunities. Like whatever you have lost, it's coming back to you in a better way, where you are getting things that you didn't even dreamt of getting it. Like you could never even think of you something like this can happen in your life. These situations that are going to take place in your life are going to take you, like I just heard, to another realm. Like you will feel your world has changed completely. Your life has changed completely. Oh. Yes. A very okay. For some of you, yes. For some of you, we are getting two energies over here. Okay, with the second set of cards I'm getting, for some of you, you are starting something new, something you've always wanted, some creative, we can't say job, but something creative you are starting, which you started as a hobby, but it is also bringing you you can also take this to a professional front, take your hobby to a professional front, where whatever you're doing it with so much of passion, so much of love, that it is healing your heart, and at the same time, as a reward, you are getting incomes, earning out of it, and recognition for the things that you are doing, with this Ace of Wands card over here. Like this Lions Gate portal is blessing people on every level. Like if you have lost a relationship, this Lions Gate portal is blessing you with a new friend, with a new love, with a new romantic partner. If you lost something in terms of your career, if you lost a job, if you were lacking money in your life, so this Lions Gate portal is blessing you with 10 times better opportunity and options that you have had lost in the past. And it is very fulfilling whatever you are receiving, whether a love partner, whether a new job opportunity, new career opportunity. You are being blessed 10 times more as you thought, as compared to the things that you have lost in your life. You were in grief regarding something, like your hopes almost got dried. But with this Lionsgate portal, a new fresh air is bringing life back, passion back into your life. We have the Son of Wands card over here. Very adventurous time is up ahead. Whether it's in your love life or in your career or in general in your life, you are up for some great adventures that is going to fill your heart with love. And with so much things that are coming to you, you are never ever going to complain, because you are being blessed with so much. You are going to be blessed with so much abundance that you will take it as a lesson, to never get so low, to never get in such a low vibrational energy where you complain about not having things, not having something, because you will understand with all these abundance that you're going to receive with this Lionsgate portal. You will understand that you will take it as a lesson that whenever you feel you are losing something, it's not a loss. The universe, divine, God, whatever you believe in, they are replacing your sorrows with so much of blessings and abundance that you can't thank enough. You will learn the lesson of gratitude. You will never ever, you're going to be blessed so much that you are never going to complain about not having something in your life. It's a confirming sign that you are never going to be in such a low vibrational energy where you will ever say something from your mouth that you don't have this, you don't have that. You will always be grateful for all that you have, because you will understand why universe brings you in a position where you feel you have lost something. What you lose is not an actual loss. There's just a better replacement happening in your life. So this Lionsgate portal is bringing that replacement in your life, and a major life lesson for you, where you will learn the lesson of gratitude, to be very fully content in whatever you have, and you will notice the universe blessing you more with the gratitude. It's such a beautiful energy. It's like I feel so much of like gratefulness in my heart. What else is this Lionsgate portal bringing for my collective? What else is this Lionsgate portal bringing for my collective? You're definitely going to shine as this portal opens, and I think this portal lasts for around 7 days to 10 days. So you will notice this difference starting from 8th August. You will see, you will feel things changing, transformation. You will feel that transformation taking place in your life starting from 8th July. You will feel fresh. You will feel good. If you felt the energy of lack, suddenly you will feel that you feel abundant within yourself. See, we have this devil card over here and this wheel of fortune. So a negative cycle is ending for you with this wheel of fortune. Like destiny is changing course of your life. All the negativity, toxicity, bad things that happened, that you were going through, it's all coming to an end, and it's divine timing for you. The Lionsgate portal is divine timing for you, and it is bringing you a lot of fulfillment, and you will be very grateful. You are going to be very grateful for all that you are receiving at this point of time. I am so charged up with this reading. I feel really good. I feel really good with this energy, with the energy of this reading. I guess yes, that's all. That's all the message that I'm getting right now. And I don't feel the calling to pull more cards. It's like, yeah, the message has been delivered. So yes, that is the message for you. That is the reading for you. I hope it resonated with you. I hope it gave you some kind of clarity, guidance, information, anything that you needed to know, anything that you needed to hear. Okay, that can like fuel you with positive energy. So yeah, this is the reading for you, and I hope it resonated with you. It gave you some kind of guidance, clarity, and if it did, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I also offer personal tarot readings. If you want to book a session with me, the details are given below in the description box. You can check there. And thank you so much for watching. Lots of love and light.